children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rehnaz, and I'm your teacher Rehnaz. So today I'm going to explain the chapter Bhalu ne kheli football, the bear who played football. So in this chapter, a bear assumes a lion cub lying down under a tree to be a football, and he kicks it. So later what happens in this chapter is hilarious. So come along with me to see what happens next. The name of the chapter is Bhalu ne kheli football. Bhalu means bear, kheli means to play, football is a game. So the name of the chapter is The Bear Who Played Football. सर्दियों का मौसम था. Sardi means winter season. Okay, मौसम means season, the weather condition. So it was a winter morning, cold winter morning. सुबह का वक्त. सुबह means morning. का वक्त means time. So it was early in the morning during the winter season. चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा. Charo or means all around, like everywhere. Kohra means fog. Okay, so during the winter season, when you wake up early in the morning, like when you go out, you can't see anything outside. Yeah, it's fully covered with fog. So when this bear it goes out in the morning, and it's like everywhere there is it's covered with fog. एक शेर का बच्चा सिमट कर गोल मटोल बना जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. So एक शेर is the tiger, so the cub, yeah, the baby of the tiger. शेर का बच्चा is the cub. सिमट कर means it was all snuggled up, like when you feel cold, like I'm sure during the winter season you all will be snuggling up in the blanket, and you will love to sleep. So the same way this tiger cub, yeah, the cub is, can you see here, gol matol means it has become round. Yeah, it's looking like a football. Yes, it's looking like a ball. So it was like snuggling up. It was feeling very cold, so it snuggled up. And jamun ke ped. Jamun, have you all seen jamun? It's a fruit. It's blue or black in color. Okay, it's called as Indian blackberry also. So it's a fruit. So it was lying under this tree is the jamun tree. Okay, ped means tree. के नीचे, it was down. नीचे means down. सोया हुआ था. सोया means to sleep. So this tiger baby or the cub was sleeping. It was all snuggled up and it was looking round. Okay, and it was sleeping under the jamun tree. इधर भालू साहब सैर पर निकल तो आए थे, लेकिन पछता रहे थे. So this is the bhalu. Bhalu means bear. Okay, so Mr. Bear, Bhalu Sahab means Mr. Bear. सैर पर निकल तो आए थे. सैर means walking. It had come out for walk. निकल means out. तो आए थे, so it had come out for a walk. लेकिन, but, पछता रहे थे. He was like, actually pachta means he was repenting for what he did. That means he was like thinking, why did I come out? Because it was so cold. He got ready and he came out for walk, but later he was thinking, why did I come out for walk? तभी उनकी नजर जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे पड़ी. तभी, at that time, then, उनकी नजर, he saw, nazar means eyesight. Okay, he saw something. Jamun ke ped, under the mango tree, under the jamun tree, ke niche padi. Niche means down and padi means saw. So that means the meaning of this sentence is, he saw something lying under the jamun tree. आंखें फैलाई, अकल दौड़ाई. Aha, football. Aankhe means eyes. Failai means opened wide. Akal is he thought of. He got an idea. Daudai means he worked his mind. Okay, he thought of something and he realized it's a football. Aha, football. सोचा चलो इससे खेलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए. सोचा, he thought, चलो, let's play with it. खेल कर, इससे खेल कर. Let's play with this. इससे means this. खेल कर means to play. कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए. गर्मी is the warmth. Okay? The body becomes heat. If you play something, your body becomes warm or hot. If you play something or if you do some exercise, your body warms up. Yes, he was feeling so cold. So he saw this, he thought this is a ball, but actually it was a tiger's cub. And he thought, like, I will play football with this. And he was so happy seeing this, and he was like, he got an idea that this is a football, and I'm going to play football, and I'm going to warm up my body. आव देखा न ताव, भालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को. हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा और फिर पेड़ की एक डाल पकड़ ली. आव देखा न ताव. That means like the bear did not see here and there, he did not notice anything. भालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को. So भालू is a bear. ने पैर means leg. से उछाल दिया means it kicked. The balu kicked the शेर के बच्चे is the cub, the tiger's baby. So what happens is the bear did not see when he thought that it's a football and he did not see here and there. He immediately just kicked the ball. He thought that's a ball and he kicked the cub. हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा. Hadbadi means in like when you're in a deep sleep and someone comes and wakes you up, you don't know what's happening. Yeah, you will be like like you don't know what to do. So that's a situation. That's the hadbadi over here. में शेर का बच्चा दहाड़ा. Dahada means it just jumped. Okay, it just opened itself and it jumped, bounced. और फिर पेड़ के एक डाल पकड़ ली. और and फिर is then पेड़ की एक डाल. That means the branches. पेड़ is tree, dal is branch. So he jumped onto the branch of the tree. Pakad li means he caught. So over here you can see that the tiger has clinged onto the branch of a tree. So when the bear kicked the tiger, it didn't know like what to do. The tiger's cub, okay, it didn't know what to do, and it just clinged onto the branch of the tree. मगर डाल टूट गई. भालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गए. पछताए, लेकिन अगले ही पल दौड़कर फुर्ती से दोनों हाथ बढ़ाए और शेर के बच्चे को लपक लिया. So what happens here is मगर डाल टूट गई. मगर but dal means the branch. टूट गई. Toot means it broke. Okay, so the branch where the tiger had clinged onto, it broke. भालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गए. So Bhalu Sahib is the bear. Jaldi hi, quickly. Mamla is the situation. Samajh gaye is understood. So the Bhalu realized, okay, what he did was wrong, and he understood the situation. Pachtaye, he felt bad. Okay, he knew he was wrong and he regretted. He shouldn't have done that. Lekin, but agar agle hi pal daud kar. Agle hi pal is the next moment. Pal is the moment. Agle is next. Daud kar. He ran. Furti se. How did he run? He ran quickly. Furti se. Dono haath. Dono haath means both his hands. Can you see here? With both his hands. Badaaye. That means he stretched his hands forward. Okay. और शेर के बच्चे को लपक लिया. शेर is the cub. Lapak liya means he got hold of it. So can you see here?
the bear, what happened? He realized that what he kicked was not a ball but a cub. So he felt very bad. Okay, he realized his mistake, that he shouldn't have done that. He felt bad. But ugly he pal, the next moment he ran quickly. Okay, because the tree's branch broke, and the baby was falling down, the cub was falling down. So he immediately ran and he stretched his hand and he caught the cub. अरे यह क्या? शेर का बच्चा फिर से उछालने के लिए कह रहा था। अरे यह क्या? Hey, what is this? शेर का बच्चा, the tiger's cub, फिर से उछालने, फिर से means again. उछालने, that means to put the baby up and hold it. Okay, that is to throw up and catch. के लिए कह रहा था. So what happened here? Kah raha tha means the cub was saying. So what happens is when that baby fell from the branch and the bear caught it. Okay, so this bear actually enjoyed what happened. So he fell from there and the bear caught. So what the baby was saying, like, put me again, like throw me up in the air and hold me again, catch me again. So this cub was actually enjoying what happened. So एक बार फिर बालू दादा ने उछाला. So एक बार, again, once more. और फिर means again. Balu dada is the bear. Uchhala. So he put the bear up again once more. So when he requested, like, even if you are kids, when you're playing with your father or your mother, you say, right, like, do it again, do it again. So the same way, even the bear was saying, the cub told the bear, like, do it again for me, put me up in the air and hold me again. Once he said, later दो बार, तीन बार, फिर बार बार यही होने लगा. So the bear did once, so the cub said once more. So it was 2 times, 3 times, and then again and again the same thing was happening. शेर के बच्चे को उछलने में मजा आ रहा था, परंतु भालू तक थक कर परेशान हो गया था. So शेर के बच्चे को उछलने में मजा आ रहा था. That is for the cub, the tiger's cub. उछलने, that means going up and down. मजा, he was enjoying. आ रहा था, that means the cub was actually enjoying what was happening, like to go up and down. Okay, he was actually enjoying that. Parantu, but bhalu, the bear, थक कर, that means he got very tired. परेशान हो गया था. That means he was so irritated. He was very tired and he was like very disturbed and he was irritated, like going on and on doing the same thing. Okay, like if your parents also will say, no, okay, come on, let's stop it now. We have done it many times. But the bear was saying and the cub was not listening. So he wanted again and again to do the same thing. Oh, किस आफत में आ फंसा. 12वीं बार उछालते ही भालू ने घर की ओर दौड़ लगाई और गायब हो गया. So, oh, किस आफत में आ फंसा. किस, which, आफत means trouble, में आ फंसा, did I get into. Okay, so the bear was thinking, like, I got into a big trouble, like I'm trapped now. Okay, he was trapped with the bear, sorry, the tiger's cub. So this bear was thinking, look, it's such a headache for me, like I'm stuck with this bear. So baravi means 12th time. Okay, 12th time, uchalte hi, the moment, the 12th time when he put the bear up, bhalu ne, the bear, घर की ओर, घर is house, की ओर means towards his house, दौड़ लगाई, he ran towards the house, और गायब हो गया, गायब means disappeared. So what happened? So this bear was putting the cub so many times up, yeah, like 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then the 12th time. Okay, 12th time when the bear threw the he put the cub up. When the bear went up, what this bhalu did, when the cub went up, what this bhalu did was it ran towards its house. Okay, it ran towards his house and it disappeared. Okay, he ran because he just wanted to get out of it. अब की बार शेर का बच्चा धड़ाम से जमीन पर आ गया, डाल भी टूट गई। तभी माली वहां आया और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा। So what happened was, अब की बार, this time when the bear put the cub 12th time, he put the bear cub up, yeah. So at that time, the 12th time, and the bear ran away. There was no one to catch him. So what happened? The शेर का बच्चा, the cub, धड़ाम से जमीन पर आ गया. Zameen is the ground and आ गया, he fell. धड़ाम is the sound. Okay, dhab, he fell on the ground. Dal bhi toot gayi, even the branch broke. Okay, the branch where he was clinging on to and he was falling down. Yeah, even that he broke many branches also when he fell. तभी माली वहां आया और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा। तभी at that time माली means the gardener. Okay, वहां आया, so the gardener or the person who is taking care of the garden or the place where the cub was sleeping and the trees over there, the gardener is taking care of all that. So he came there. Wahan aya means, wahan means there, aya means come, और and शेर के बच्चे, the cub, पर बरस पड़ा means he got angry, he was shouting at the cub. So when the the cub fell down, he broke the branches, okay, and he fell directly onto the ground because the bear wasn't there to catch him. So at that time, the gardener came there, or the caretaker came there, and he was shouting at the cub. डाल तोड़ दी पेड़ की, लाओ हर जाना। शेर के बच्चे ने कहा, जरा ठीक तो हो लूं। माली ने कहा, ठीक है, मैं अभी आता हूँ. So what was the gardener or the Mali shouting at him? What did he say? Dal tod di ped ki. Dal is a branch, tod is broke, ped is the tree. So he says, you broke the branches of my tree. Lao harjana. Lao means give me. Harjana is you have to pay for what you have done. That means you have actually broken the branch. Yes, you have done something wrong. So you have to pay me for it. शेर के बच्चे ने कहा, the cub said, कहा means said, जरा ठीक तो हो लूं, जरा little, ठीक, let me get better. To ho loom, that means the cub was saying, like, I just fell down, let me get better. माली ने कहा, ठीक है. माली the gardener, कहा is said, ठीक है means okay. मैं अभी आता हूँ, मैं, that is me or I, अभी, now, आता हूँ, will come. So he said, I will come now. So when the cub said, like, let me get better, give me some time, I just fell. So the Mali or the gardener said, okay, you take your time, I'll just come now. माली के वहां से जाते ही शेर का बच्चा भी 9-2-11 हो लिया। उसने सोचा, जान बची तो लाखों पाए. So here what happens is, can you see the cub is running away? So माली के वहां से, माली the gardener के वहां from there, जाते ही when he left from there, शेर का बच्चा, that means the cub भी 9-2-11. 9-2-11 is actually a proverb or a muhavra, you can say. So 9-2-11 means he ran away very quickly, and it's like as though he disappeared from there. So 9-2-11 means disappear. Ho liya, that means he escaped. Like if you have done something naughty and you're caught, if you do something wrong and if you're caught, you just try to escape from there, right? And you won't be seen anywhere. So it's the same way, even the cub just ran away from there. As soon as the Mali left, he just ran away from there. Usne socha, he thought, jaan bachi to lakhon paaye. So this means jaan bachi to lakhon paaye is also a muhavra. Okay, it's also a proverb or a saying, you can say. Jaan is life. Bachi means when it is saved. To lakhon means millions. Okay, pi is get. So that means like it's a proverb which literally means in a difficult situation when our life is saved, that is equivalent to, that is equal to having, like, you know, you have gained millions. Okay, you made a lot of money. So if you, that means your life is so precious. Okay, if you have life, then you can do anything. So because this cub's life is saved, that means he had made a lot. That means he has gained a lot. Yeah. So he is very happy that he just escaped from there, and so that he can live a good life. So this is what the story is about. Okay, the little cub and the bear, where the bear, when he comes out for the morning walk, he sees something round, and he thought it to be a ball, and he kicked it. And later he realized that it was a tiger's cub, and he plays with it, like when the cub was enjoying him putting up and down. And later when he thought that it was such a trouble for him to do that, he escaped from there. The bear escaped, and the cub fell down, and then the mali or the gardener comes and shouts at him for breaking the branches. And he says, like, you have to pay me for this because you have done a big loss to me. So what happens? The cub is very clever. It says like, okay, let me get better because I've just fell. And the Mali goes away. He says, okay, fine, take your time, and he goes away. And as soon as the Mali or the gardener goes away, this cub just escapes and he runs for his life. Yeah, he runs and he disappears from there. And he says that he thinks that my life is saved and I have made millions. So it's okay. Like, it's just a saying. Okay, it doesn't mean that he made money, but it means that his life is so precious. He is saved. Okay, this is what the story means. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.
I hope you liked the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for all the videos I upload. Take care.